Hi, do you remember once you were a student and there was a class of 40 students, 45 students? During the sports periods, there was a ball being given to you and 45 students running after one ball. Did students learn? Did you learn sports at that point of time? I don't think so. Yes, few students will definitely excel whose parents are supporting them at home. But here is a principle. You're supposed to review your sports, your school sports every week. There's a huge benefit in reviewing. I will give you some points which you can from which you can pick up every week and review your sports. I'm sure your students are going to excel, get into winning of international and national competitions, winning of CBSE, ICSE, and national competitions. You have to check whether your sports equipment is adequate to cover up the students. For example, if cricket is a priority and there are 40 students in your class, you must have at least 20 or 40 bats with you. If you're having 40 bats, then all the 40 students at one point of time can learn stances. You have to have 40 balls or 20 students with the ball and 20 students with the bat and practicing. They can stand in a circle and play, but yes, you need to have enough equipment to support your school sports. You have to visit your sports classes on a regular basis and see, are 40 students running behind a ball, or every student is being coached properly. You have to meet the teachers and see whether they have enough training material. For example, if students want to play badminton, then badminton WF, Badminton World Federation, is having a lot of training videos. I'll give you one beautiful website, cpdonline.in. It's free to use and there's a sports section in that. Your coaches can find a lot of interesting videos to coach the skills of every sport. Call it badminton, call it cricket, swimming, chess, table tennis, volleyball. So those training videos at cpdonline.in can be very useful. And you need to see whether your teachers are having enough training materials with them. Why you need to review is, again, you need to think, what are the students doing on a rainy day? During July and August, when the rains are there and you have not reviewed the sports and you have not guided your teachers how to take sports classes during the rains, then probably classes won't happen. Those training videos at cpdonline.in or YouTube, your teachers can arrange, can really help students to learn some good skills. You have to observe the students, whether every student is playing or not. There may be some student, those are obese, they would like to play chess. There might be some students, those are inclined to play cricket, some soccer, some table tennis. So you have to have enough infrastructure to support them. And this review is definitely going to help. Whether your school is having inter-school matches, inter-class matches, are your students getting proficient in playing sports? Is again a way to review. Whether when the school teams are formed or school teams are even formed or not, you have to find out from your sports coaches, and at least once in a week you have to meet the teams. If the teams are formed, whether they have proper dresses when they're going for inter-school matches. If not, this is the right time. During the week when this sports review come, yes, you can see that whether they have got right dresses or not. While I was a principal, I used to play with my students, and that really motivated them. I would suggest the day the review is, while the students are playing, go and play with them. You have to make a budget and ensure that the budget is wisely spent. During the month of July or June, July, August, there are inter-school competitions by CBSE or the national competitions. You need to ensure your students are participating. They have to fill it online. In CBSE, they have to fill it online. So you have to, if you're reviewing it, you will get to know that, oh, this month we have to put our students on online portal for them as a team to go and play at CBSE. So Principal's Diary supports, and Principal's Diary tells you every week what you're supposed to do. Sometimes when the competitions are near, you have to allow your students to play in the morning assembly time, or they have to come before assembly, before the school, or go after the school. You have to arrange transport for them. And this can only happen if you're reviewing the sports on a regular basis weekly. Junior students, when it comes to kindergartners or first to fifth class, their skills, basic skills, sports curriculum comes into practice, where there are a lot of skills, dribbling skills, catching skills, hand motor, hand and eye coordination, jumping. So there are a lot of there are pack cards available, PEC pack cards available for first to 8th class, where by sports authorities, and those again on cpdonline.in, these pack cards are available, and the sports curriculum is also available. Now if students are learning and playing from these lesson plans by pack cards, then their basic skills to play sports are going to be really improved. And then when they play sports, when they learn to play sports, and in future when they wish to play sports, their body will be ready to play and excel, and then you will have a lot of national champions in your school. You have to also ensure at time to time to talk to your students to play fair. You have to ensure that the fitness level of your students is on a highest level. You have to teach that handling of equipment, sports equipment, is very much necessary. Proper handling of sports equipment will definitely help them. These are some of the reference points which I have pointed it out because of Principal's Handbook and Diary. By these points, you can think, or taking these points as references, you can think a lot of other points. And with a lot of other points, I am 100% sure the sports in your school is going to be the best. Students will love sports. Parents are going to love sports. And you will create a lot of international champions, Olympians in the coming days. Have a good day. Keep learning from Principal's Diary portal, YouTube channel, and keep using Principal's Diary each and every day, and keep on reviewing each and every aspect of schooling. Thank you.